Okay, so now I'm looking for UnCommon Bake Shop, and if I'm right, it's in this building. Thank you.
UnCommon Baked Goods started as an online platform during the pandemic. I came home to visit my family from Vancouver and decided to start baking and selling product online. I had previously worked as a pastry chef for many years, and UnCommon kind of took off. And then I was approached to open the bakery in the space, and one thing led to another, and here I am. We specialize in modern pastry with a twist. And so we try and utilize as many local and seasonal ingredients as possible, and also focus on using interesting, kind of not so readily available things like spices. Tonka bean is one of our favorites, and just using different quality ingredients that you can't usually find in the city.
That was fun. Thanks to her for being nice enough to allow me to shoot. Let's go to our next spot.